Here's how to fix low sound on your MacBook. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Go to Sound, then open the Output tab. Make sure internal speakers are selected as the output device. Next, drag the output volume slider all the way to the right. Then, check the balance slider and make sure it's centered. These are the built-in settings that control your Mac's speaker volume. If your volume is already at maximum and it's still too quiet, you can increase it further using a free app called EQ Mac. Open your browser, search for EQ Mac, download it from the official website, and install it on your Mac. Launch EQ Mac and go to the volume section. Here, click on the Boost feature one time. Inside Boost, select your internal speakers. You can now increase the volume beyond the normal 100% limit. Start with a moderate boost, such as 150% to 200%. Then adjust it until you're happy with the volume. While the app allows much higher values, increasing it too much may cause distortion, so raise it gradually. Once you've finished, minimize the app and play some audio to test the new volume. That's all for this video. Thanks.